Welcome back again here in Healthy Minds. Ngayong araw na to, susubukan ko sa inyong i-share itong isang whale
Bitcoin address, which is holding around 100 plus thousand Bitcoin, equivalent to $4 billion.
Tignan natin kung ano yung characteristic nito, ano yung psychology nito behind on what's going on in the market, and how we could utilize it as a regular retail habang the rest of the market are experiencing some shaking, some fear. So stay tuned and enjoy this episode.
This is Healthy Minds giving you bites and pieces of crypto news.
So kagaya na napag-usapan natin, I'm going to share this one whale address which is holding around 100,000 plus of BTC, around 4 billion plus equivalent in dollars. Kung paano niya nilalaro at kung ano yung ginagawa niya that will actually help us to navigate and maximize this market. But meanwhile, for today, as we can see, Bitcoin right now is playing around 38,000 plus dollars, and it was good and up for 3%. Meanwhile, Ethereum is up by almost 6% here, 2,700 plus. Binance at 400 plus, almost 16%. And as you can see here, the market cap now is up by $1.7 trillion, reaching again that $2 trillion mark that we have around April. And for the last 24 hours, we are having $100 billion plus. Dominance is down again at 41.6. So it means that altcoins are on green and starting to pump again. BTC dominance chart currently still continues to plummet, though we already had this bounce here at around 39%. But since then, we experienced this resistance on the 48%. And now we're back on the 42 range. And what can we expect if this downward action will continue? Definitely the alts will start again to pump. In the case that we will break this support at around 39, we could expect that the next range is already around 35%. This will boost the altcoin season. But again, as I said, this will all depends on what will be the movement of Bitcoin for the next few days and hours. That's why I would like to share again and talk about this Bitcoin whale address, kung paano niya nilalaro yung market and how we could actually utilize and maximize this as a retail investor. From here, we could check and scrutinize this address. We see here for the past weeks, this guy is selling almost, around 6,000 BTC. And since then, at the same time, he is continuously accumulating. So let's check what are the dates and how did he play this market on April 12 and 13. He tried to sold around 3,000 BTC. And during that date, April, he's selling the Bitcoin and another set of 3,000 Bitcoin from May 4 and 6. May 4 and 6, price of the Bitcoin during those times is around 59,000. So it looks like the guy knows that the movement of the market will soon go down. And finally, on May 9, he sold his 3,000 Bitcoin. From there, May 9, the price of the Bitcoin is around 59,300. So that is the good thing with the blockchain, this public ledger. We were able to see each transactions of the Bitcoin address, and from there we could utilize what would be the next move of the market. But the good thing with this whale, since May 15 to June 2, it's continuously buying. As you can see, the last transaction is almost 2,000 BTC, and the previous was almost the same. This whale is definitely accumulating Bitcoin during this time. So from there, we could see what will be the next market movement. Perhaps we could use this as your reference on how we could utilize the market. Again, if you want to be keep updated, make sure to like and subscribe and share this channel to make the community more stronger. We'll be here during the ups and downs of the market. No matter what, we'll try to keep you updated, guys. Thank you again. This is Henry. Ciao.